3 holes in the wall later, I finally called Reyes Carpentry and Painting. Look, if you're measuring twice and cutting wrong 3 times, that's a red flag. If your quick fix is now a 3-weekend project, that's another one. And if you're watching YouTube tutorials at midnight trying to figure out what went wrong, it's time to call the professionals. Reyes Carpentry and Painting handles everything from simple repairs to full renovations. We are local, trusted, and committed to getting it right the first time. Sometimes the smartest DIY move is knowing when not to DIY. Call Reyes Carpentry and Painting now.